Are you feeling trapped by the daily grind of managing type 2 diabetes, constantly monitoring your blood sugar, adjusting medications, and feeling like you're fighting a losing battle? Many people are told that diabetes is a progressive disease, a life sentence that can only be managed, not truly overcome. This narrative often leaves individuals feeling hopeless, resigned to a future dictated by their diagnosis. But what if there was another path, one that empowers you to take charge, not just of your symptoms, but of the very root cause of your condition? What if you could learn to master diabetes, to regain your health and vitality, and to experience a level of freedom you thought was no longer possible? Today, we're going to unveil a powerful, evidence-based strategy that has helped countless individuals achieve profound improvements in their insulin sensitivity and overall well-being: the low-fat, plant-based diet. We'll explain why this approach is so effective, how it directly addresses the underlying mechanisms of type 2 diabetes, and provide you with a comprehensive guide to embracing this transformative lifestyle. Get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about mastering your health. To truly master diabetes, we must first revisit the fundamental understanding of what drives type 2 diabetes, which we've discussed before. It's not simply about high blood sugar, which is a symptom, but about insulin resistance. Remember, insulin resistance occurs when your cells, particularly in your muscles and liver, become unresponsive to insulin's signal. Instead of opening up to allow glucose to enter for energy, they resist, forcing your pancreas to overproduce insulin in a desperate attempt to normalize blood sugar. This persistent overwork eventually exhausts the pancreas, leading to consistently elevated blood glucose levels. The critical insight here is that the primary cause of this cellular resistance is the accumulation of microscopic fat particles within these cells. These tiny droplets of fat, often referred to as intramucosal lipid in muscle cells and intrahepatic lipid in liver cells, literally clog the machinery that allows insulin to work effectively. They gum up the works, preventing glucose from getting where it needs to go. Therefore, the key to reversing insulin resistance and mastering diabetes is to systematically reduce this cellular fat, thereby restoring your cell's innate ability to respond to insulin. This is precisely where a low-fat, plant-based diet shines as a beacon of hope. So, what exactly do we mean by a low-fat, plant-based diet for insulin sensitivity? This isn't just another fad diet. It's a lifestyle centered around whole, unprocessed foods derived entirely from plants, with a strong emphasis on keeping dietary fat intake low, and non-starchy, legumes, and whole grains. This means a focus on abundant servings of fruits, vegetables, both starchy. It consciously minimizes or completely excludes animal products such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy, as these are primary sources of saturated fat and cholesterol, which are highly concentrated sources of fat, and processed foods, which are often laden with unhealthy fats, refined sugars, and additives. Furthermore, it significantly reduces the intake of added oils, even so-called healthy oils like olive oil and coconut oil. The low-fat aspect is absolutely critical here. While all plant foods contain some fat, the overall percentage of calories from fat is naturally much lower in a whole food, plant-based diet compared to a standard Western diet. This deliberate reduction in dietary fat is the engine that drives the reversal of insulin resistance. And burn the excess fat that has accumulated inside your muscle and liver cells. The mechanism by which this diet combats insulin resistance is elegantly simple yet profoundly effective. When you significantly reduce the amount of fat you consume, particularly saturated fat, your body begins to access. Think of it like a gradual detox. As these cells shed their internal fat burden, they become declogged, allowing their insulin receptors and glucose transporters to function optimally once again. This means that less insulin is required to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells, leading to lower, more stable blood sugar levels. Your pancreas, no longer forced to work overtime, can recover and produce insulin more efficiently. This isn't just about managing symptoms. It's about restoring the fundamental metabolic health of your body. Beyond simply reducing fat, the plant-based component brings a wealth of additional benefits. Plant foods are rich in fiber, which is a superstar nutrient for diabetes management. Fiber slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar. It also feeds your beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthier microbiome, which research increasingly links to improved metabolic health and reduced inflammation. Furthermore, plant foods are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients, powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation throughout the body, and support overall cellular function, all of which contribute to better insulin sensitivity. You're not just removing harmful components. You're flooding your body with protective and healing elements. Let's break down the key pillars of this transformative diet, ensuring you understand why each component is vital for insulin sensitivity. First, whole grains. Forget the fear-mongering about carbohydrates. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, barley, and millet are foundational to a low-fat, plant-based diet. They are rich in complex carbohydrates, meaning they provide a steady, sustained release of energy rather than rapid spikes. Crucially, they are loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract, slowing down glucose absorption, while insoluble fiber adds bulk, promoting healthy digestion and satiety. These aren't empty calories. They are fuel sources designed to nourish your body and stabilize your blood sugar. Next, we have legumes, the unsung heroes of plant-based eating. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas are powerhouses of plant protein and dietary fiber. Their unique combination helps you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to a low-fat eating pattern. The protein in legumes helps build and repair tissues, while their complex carbohydrates and fiber contribute to incredibly stable blood sugar responses. They are versatile, inexpensive, and an essential component for anyone looking to improve insulin sensitivity. Then there are fruits. This is where many people, especially those with diabetes, get confused. The conventional wisdom often warns against fruit due to its sugar content. However, in the context of a low-fat, whole-food, plant-based diet, whole fruits are not only safe, but highly beneficial for insulin sensitivity. The natural sugars in fruit come packaged with an abundance of fiber, water, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This natural packaging means the sugar is absorbed slowly into the bloodstream, preventing the rapid spikes that refined sugars cause. Remember, it's the fat inside your cells that causes insulin resistance, not the natural sugars from whole fruits. And cucumbers are incredibly nutrient-dense, very low in calories, and packed with fiber and water. Fruits provide essential micronutrients that support cellular function and reduce inflammation, both of which are critical for restoring insulin sensitivity. Think berries, apples, pears, peaches, and oranges, all fantastic choices. Finally, we have vegetables, both starchy and non-starchy. Non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, bell peppers. They add volume to your meals, ensuring you feel full without consuming excess calories or fat. Starchy vegetables such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn, and winter squash are also excellent choices. Like whole grains, they provide complex carbohydrates and fiber, offering sustained energy. They have been unfairly demonized for diabetics, but when consumed as part of a low-fat, whole-food, plant-based diet, they are powerful tools for reversing insulin resistance due to their low-fat content and high fiber. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but what about common concerns? Let's address some of them head-on. Where do I get protein? This is perhaps the most common question, fueled by decades of marketing. The truth is, protein deficiency is virtually unheard of in individuals consuming enough calories from whole plant foods. Legumes, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and even vegetables all contain ample protein. Your body is incredibly efficient at utilizing amino acids from various plant sources to meet its needs. You don't need to combine specific proteins at every meal. Your body intelligently pools amino acids throughout the day. Won't I be hungry? Quite the opposite. And vegetables are among the most affordable items in any grocery store. A low-fat, plant-based diet is incredibly satiating due to its high fiber and water content. You can eat large volumes of delicious, nutrient-rich food without over-consuming calories or fat. Fiber expands in your stomach, signaling fullness, and the sustained energy release from complex carbohydrates keeps hunger at bay for longer. Is it expensive? While some specialty vegan products can be pricey, the foundational foods of this diet, beans, lentils, rice, potatoes, seasonal fruits, cooking from scratch, buying in bulk, and focusing on staples can drastically reduce your food budget. Is it boring? This is perhaps the biggest misconception. The world of plant-based cuisine is incredibly diverse, flavorful, and exciting. From vibrant curries and hearty stews to fresh salads and delicious smoothie bowls, the possibilities are endless. It encourages culinary creativity and exploring new flavors and textures. Now, let's talk about practical implementation. How do you start this journey towards mastering diabetes through a low-fat, plant-based diet? You have options. You can go all in immediately, or you can transition gradually. And a baked sweet potato with steamed broccoli and black beans for dinner. For some, a complete overhaul works best, as it creates a clear break from old habits. For others, a phased approach is more sustainable. Start by incorporating one plant-based meal a day, or commit to eating fully plant-based for 1 or 2 days a week. Gradually increase your intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, while simultaneously reducing animal products, added oils, and processed foods. When meal planning, think in terms of these core food groups. A generous portion of starchy vegetables or whole grains is your base, plenty of non-starchy vegetables, and a good serving of legumes for protein and fiber. And water sorting will open up a world of delicious possibilities. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. For example, a big bowl of oatmeal with berries for breakfast, a lentil soup with a large side salad for lunch. Keep it simple in the beginning. Your shopping list will become your new best friend. Focus on the produce section, the bulk bins for grains and legumes, and the frozen section for convenience. Get back on track with your next meal. Stock up on brown rice, oats, quinoa, dried beans and lentils, frozen fruits and vegetables, fresh seasonal produce, and a variety of herbs and spices. And inflammation, all factors that reduce your risk of heart disease, the #1 killer globally. Learning a few basic cooking methods, steaming, baking, roasting, hydration is also key. Make plain water your primary beverage. Consistent hydration supports all bodily functions, including metabolism. There will be days you slip up, and that's perfectly okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. The benefits of embracing a low-fat, plant-based diet extend far beyond improved blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. This approach offers a holistic transformation of your health. Many individuals experience significant and sustainable weight management, as this diet is naturally low in calorie density while being high in nutrient density. This leads to effortless weight loss for most, without feeling deprived. Your heart health will improve dramatically, with reductions in cholesterol levels, blood pressure. You'll likely notice a substantial increase in your energy levels, as your body receives optimal fuel and functions more efficiently. Chronic inflammation, which is a driver of many chronic diseases, significantly decreases. Many people report improvements in digestive health, skin conditions, and even mood. The science is clear, and the success stories are abundant. This isn't just a diabetes diet. It's a blueprint for vibrant, long-term health. The journey to mastering diabetes is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about nourishing your body with the foods it was designed to thrive on, restoring its natural ability to process glucose efficiently, and unlocking a future where you are no longer defined by your diagnosis. What steps will you take today to begin your transformation? It requires patience and consistency. You may see rapid improvements in your blood sugar in the first few weeks, but full reversal of insulin resistance takes time as your cells gradually shed their excess fat. Work closely with your healthcare providers. As your blood sugar improves, your medication needs may decrease significantly, and your doctor will need to adjust your prescriptions accordingly. Communication with your medical team is paramount to ensure your safety and to support your progress. Seek out a community or support group, whether online or in person. Connecting with others who are on a similar path can provide invaluable encouragement, practical tips, and a sense of belonging. Remember, you are not alone in this. In conclusion, type 2 diabetes does not have to be a lifelong burden of medication and declining health. By understanding and directly addressing insulin resistance, the true underlying cause, driven by excess fat accumulation within your cells, you hold the power to fundamentally change your health trajectory. Embracing a low-fat, whole food, plant-based diet is the most potent tool at your disposal to achieve this. It's not about restriction. It's about abundance. You have the knowledge. Now you have the guide. The path to mastering diabetes and reclaiming your vibrant health starts now.